Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can create custom agents in Enterprise Search. First, go to the AI Agents section. Here you will find a list of all the existing agents. At the bottom, you'll see this card, Create Agent. Click on this. Now we need to create an agent profile. You can change the icon from here. Just click on this and pick any icon from here. We will keep it same. Next, write the agent name. Below that, provide a brief description or purpose of the agent. Then add instructions for the agent. Select the default fast model. We will keep it same. After that, select the default best model. Next, we have default fallback model. Simply click on this and pick any of the available models. You can also change the language. Below that, set the access control. You can make it public or private. Once you are done, click on Create Agent. The agent is created successfully. If you want to give this agent access to specific tools, go to the Tools section. Here you can enable tools. For example, if you want to give access to Google Calendar, simply enable it. Then click on Actions and select any of the actions for this agent. We don't need it for this agent, so we will disable it. Below the tools, you will find the Share option. You can share the agent with all members or specific members. Now let's use this agent. Go to the Chat section and select the agent we just created. This is the agent we created. Now we can ask anything. Type your prompt. And hit Send. And here we have a response. You can copy the output. You can also click on Export to export it as a PDF or in Markdown format. In the tasks, you will be able to see all the tasks the AI has performed to give you that specific result. That's how you can create and use custom agents in Enterprise Search. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.